All right, so this is the Total 1. So there's a lot of these out in the field. On the Total 1 and on the Total Light, to access the service window, you'll have to open up the machine. And inside there's usually a panel here. We're in the lab. So there'll be a panel and there's a hole where you see a white button. By pressing the white button, you have a place where you can do your rinses. Paper filter install. Total 1 is usually on a counter, so it's pretty high up. The bean hopper locks, so you have the key for the bean hopper. And there's two things that you could do. If you have a shop vac at the office, you can take a shop vac and remove the beans that are inside. That's the easiest way of doing it. But if not, what you need to do is remove the bean hopper. So you open up the machine, take out the milk canister. I'll get that. And there's a little hook on the side here that holds the bean hopper in place. You lift up the hook, which opens up this little door. Gives you access of pulling out the bean hopper. Now, if there's 10 pounds of beans in here, this will be 10 pounds bean hopper and dump the beans. Now, like we saw on the other one, there's augers in the back. The augers fit in the back of the machine where the auger drives are. So you want to dump the beans, turn the augers by hand in the back, just to clear the beans that are in there. And then once this has been emptied, put it back onto the machine. It's a little tricky, but it's not that bad. You want to put it down on the track, push it into the augers in the back, close this little door, and put the hook back on, and you have an empty bean hopper that you can fill up with beans. I also have another trick that I'll show you. You can use a cup, and just basically take a cup and squeeze it a bit, and you can fit it in there to remove the beans and just throw them in the trash. It'll take you a few minutes, but you can do it that way as well.